The National Archives has been absolutely thrilled to work on this project, preserving this significant footage and making sure it's available for all Australians into the future. When these records first came to us, we were pretty surprised because we actually didn't know that they existed. And of course, such a key moment in Australia's history, the first time that cameras had been allowed into Parliament.
I was sort of excited and terrified when I heard these tapes were coming because U-matic is notoriously difficult to digitise. A U-matic is a tape cassette and it's sort of just the grandfather of VHS. To play back the tapes, I had to bake them in an oven, and that takes out some of the moisture from the tape that's causing the damage. After the baking's complete, I clean the tapes. That takes off a damaged layer of tape. After we clean the tapes, I can start playback. I put the tape into the VCR and I set the levels. I monitor for errors, and this is all done in real time. So 1 hour tape is at least 1 hour of copying.
So when this footage was first broadcast, it was broadcast in black and white. And once we actually started digitising the tapes, we were amazed to find that they were actually in colour. And so this would be the first time that anybody had seen this footage in colour.
I guess because Parliament was being broadcast, everyone wore their best ties. And that comes through with this colour. You can see these brilliant patterns and colours in the ties.
Now that this footage has been digitised, it's available for all Australians simply by making a request to the National Archives of Australia. We want to make sure that this content and all of the other important content in the National Archives collection is there for our children, their children and all future generations to be able to really look back on Australia's history.
Only to that part of the topic.